Hey guys, so welcome to my channel Wise Man. So today I'm going to show you that how can you repeat a footnote at a multiple times in your Microsoft Word file. So let's say I have a footnote given by 5 and 6 at this sentence, which is on page 2, and the footnote is over here, right? So I want to repeat this footnote, like which is a reference over here. So let's remove this first. Okay, so now if I want to give this footnote over here, I can try to copy this, like selecting this and then hit the Control C from your keyboard and Control V to paste it. But if I do that, it will give me the next number, which is the next number of footnote which is available after the previous footnote. So the previous is 7 and it will give me 8. So I am not able to copy this over here. So let me remove this. So I can't copy that footnote over here. The next trick you can think of that is that I can write 5. I will select this, I go to home, and then I can just make it superscript. But if you go over here, you can see that the cursor has been changed like this. The square, the cursor is giving me this square symbol, which is, and you can also see the reference over there. For 6 it is giving me the next reference like that. So I am not able to see this reference over here if I move my cursor to this new one. So this is not a good trick to write the the footnote of a or which are required for as per the previous one. So if you want to write a footnote that has a number which has already been referenced, what do you need to do? So let's say I want to give that footnote of 5 over here. So I will place my cursor first over at this at the end of the sentence, and then go to insert and go to links, then click on this cross reference. Now over here, at first you will get something like numbered item. Okay, so then select the footnote option over here, and over here select this footnote number formatted, like it has to be formatted. It will give me automatically the formatted number of footnote. If I select this and if I click on insert, it will give me the regular number. But if I click on this, select this, it will give me the actual footnote formatting option for that. So click on close and remove this. Okay, so I can repeat the footnote multiple times wherever you want. So I want the number 5. So okay, so what I will do, I will remove this, go to links, cross reference, the 5 number is over here, I want formatted, click on insert, right? And then if I move my cursor over here, you can see that it says me that click control plus click, control plus click. So it will take me to this previous reference of as a footnote. So that's the way you can enter multiple footnotes in your documents with the same number. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.